Hey, what's up, y'all? Today we're going fuck some legs up. We got not too many workouts, maybe like 6 to 8 workouts, but it's a light, but it's a high rep day. You know, I hit legs about 3 times a week. I hit them hard, where I go heavy. Beginning of the week, middle of the week, I'll touch up hammies, and then today this is more quad focused. So, you know, we're gonna start off with some squats. About 7 sets. Then after that, we got leg presses, leg extensions, barbell lunges, deadlifts. You won't see one perform. Just from a past injury. So we're gonna do rack pulls. Some donkey calf raises. Today I got my man Ryan Store. Come here, Ryan. Got my man with me. Ryan Store, new pro. New IFBB
Thanks
pro.
to this guy right here.
Just turned pro up in New Jersey by NPC Universe. We getting ready for this pro debut. I'm getting ready for the Olympia. We got big things coming from the bird, you know what I mean?
That's right.
So, you know, ready to do this shit?
Hell yeah, ready to do this shit big.
Let's get it.
Hell yeah, homie.
Do it. So we're gonna warm up. Since we got 7 sets, we don't need to warm up. We're gonna get to warm up within the sets because we're gonna be starting pretty light, going pretty light. We'll do 135. Maybe bump up to 155, 185. Probably finish no more than 225, maybe 255. We'll see what's up. About, I don't even know, maybe 3 sets in? Yes, sir. We got the blood flowing, everybody warmed up now. Got about 4 more sets left. Let me check my palm palette. We got leg presses, baby, let's get it. Yo, I want to use this, and we never got to use this before. This is some old school money right here. Get this leg presses, 5 sets.
So hit your
20, 20, 15, 15, 10. Let's get this chicken, baby.
Damn, say that again with them numbers on.
20, 20, 15, 15, 10. Listen, we don't just make pros. We make Olympians over here.
feeling?
I'm feeling good, man. I'm turned right now. We got 8 weeks. We got 7 weeks, 6 days to be exact, in case everybody needs some help out there. We ain't got 8 weeks left, so y'all better be ready. We're gonna hit over to some leg extensions, about 5 sets in. Then we're gonna take it outside. We got something special for y'all coming. Let's get it. Come on. 20, baby. Hey, wasn't that gun? Let's go! Where you going? Ain't no waste down there. Hit him with the okie doke.